Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka jingling api samen siam jogi kertong bat kumjo ki nong kersan jongki ki banagi sang hima baper bat ruki kertong simen kala poi syaka bakod hadien bak election commission jagari India lingba ki bor penya nyapo kajela kala pen bena yaki nong job kata tang na kabenta ki san pukandait li constituency namar bayaka William Nagar constituency on hamban perlong biang ka Indian National Congress kala yo poro arpu ingut ki MLA bala buat pat daka National People's Party ka bala yo kat khandai ngut ka United Democratic Party kayo andreungot kat baka People's Democratic Front kalayo asaungot ka Bharatiya Janata Party bat ka Hill State People's Democratic Party kiyo mar arngot ka Nationalist Congress Party bat ka Khon Nyautrap National Awakening Movement kiyo mar wei MLA bat nalor kini kidon salaingot ki kertong simet ki balayo ay ka jingjom u Dr. Mukul Sangma jong ka Indian National Congress ula job na ki arli ki constituency kata na ampati bat na songsak
tunjuk sangat bersanksi kembang kampus untuk kita bisa mengajar kita capai diri kita capai satu kita capai satu menjadi diri maka ada semua itu bisa dan kemudian kami kita kata kita dengan guna ke diri kita punya ke diri sesuatu
Well, the reason that I won is because my area has been totally neglected by the ex-MLA, Mr. PNCM. There was no development at all in the whole constituency, and that is how people have given a good reply. And they want a change. They want a change, they want a development, and that's how they have given. And now I am the new MLA now. We have to take up a lot of work. A lot of works are to be taken up, a lot of developmental works including roads, bridges and particularly individual schemes for the people. That is what we need. Well, the service is the same. I was serving for the people. I'll serve for the people more, better I guess, as a policymaker, and I guess I would be able to help the people more better, understand their problems, understand the pains of the people that they are facing, and they really need help.
Comfortable. Maganda. Apa musim na makan ni kung tasli kung betul. Ang so makan tough tan makan terus na makan. Lalu umlok na kung sayang baro bagi pekerjaan untuk sana. Pan ko sa banay ko play baro candidate play le job ay play ki baro. Lang kumju oh yang tray lang kumju ke ba anak banne ke ba day banyaram ke ba don kam ke yaram ke ba nya tray sno kata ni wen no ke sno party ke sno ye na ma hadin ma job election ke don kam ke tray lang banorai ro ko
congratulate to all my teamwork and to the people of Nongkram constituency for having their faith under my leadership. So looking forward that I'll be able to fulfill the requirement within the Nongkram constituency. We still believe in the old system. I prefer that, this is a very, it's a major issue. Today, by seeing the experience in the past two elections, I am not satisfied with the EVM machine. We would like to have a discussion among the legislators on the floor of the House that we will have to inform the election commission that to bring back the old system, that the people also exercise their right in the proper manner.
Now, what will be your priority areas in your constituency?
See, since from the start when I took over as the local MLA of Mountain Constituency, my main objective is to bring development, all-round development, whether it's roads, schools, then health infrastructure, electricity, water. These are the main, issues which I will be tackling it in this coming 5 years.
Kapau bagi pahit bagi sanya amigi. Banlong unong sa juki na buntar ka constituency berkajelahi berokwe apa kadar buat hawan juga jela. Kakhet bantre na mutabay ba.
Kan pinbiang pendak saiki.
Oh.
Aginan kami repair khamta maka roi kepa.
Oh, thank you.
Development kini.
Dah ini
Kipun
yang
kipun.
interview ko ba ni?
Giwe bentate.
Apa nos dia?
I have no interest.
Pisum nam baka ikaba hi ram haka last election kala long ko jingsteng ipi ko bala amit sim bapin tre kamba pingon phai biang muta
Jingjob ke jingram ke song kunrat. Tingi abia. Bidiang ya kata. Tiga jingtre te kampai ba tingi tre ke.
But like it seems Meghalaya is heading for a like hung assembly. So what will be your strategy for Congress to form the government?
I leave it to those people who will prepare the strategy. I don't think I'm part of the strategic team.
Te to nang kong ngas ngo pengendai ban ai play ki pai ba jong ha apo ka konsensi pai ba jong pusla ko wei bekidang sane biang yang ngas sien panganyo ikan ki job ka bodon prom sa pat bat ka ba adin menglaya job ko wei ka long ba commission document juni ka bingila tumi apo jiwai ya ka aspiration jong pai ba ya kata for this coming 5 years we are going to complete it. Kata tiga bagi.
Kemudian ka mat bakongsan berfibu Ahmad ka day baik kata ka bafi le kata ka pentrekam lembaga mission document.
Oh, mission document. Oh, that is the priority. Begini ya lembaga mission document jadi. Naman ngilai ciki pai baru ngiyak rendi. Di ong pai ba lakum nuru ni kwa ba ngin persen ni ki pai ba ngin tuai ki pai ba ya ka jing angnut jong ki pai baru kejalan Meghalaya Propway they won't change dingi kwa kata ba will bring change da ka ba aning layo man thau so mai in pendek kat kum ka mission document.
Congratulations la job tiga iga dan matang alor kan job yang
ngajop si job because kipat baki ya and my policy of working is that I'm working hand in hand with all caste, creed and religion, with all my people. Kikam siing development kat kabala ngat trail. For the last I have won 5 times as MDC. People repose faith and confidence on my service. This is the 3rd time that I won as a MLA. It means 5 times as MDC, 3 times as a MLA. So people are satisfied with my service that I have rendered to them. They joining the BJP, who is having a power in Delhi. So I expect that more scheme, be it for individual or family sector, for educated unemployed or for youth. So I'll try my level best to uplift the living condition of the poor people, the living condition of the middle income group, and for the overall development within my constituency, in my state and in the country as a whole, under the leadership, prime ministership of Narendra Modi ji.